Hey everybody, how you doing? Well, we're just in the middle of week 13 on iRacing. I've had some horrible races. I've had some great races. Anyway, been a lot of guys out there have been kind of confused and asking questions about how you qualify for a race during week 13. If it appears that the grid is set by your IR grid number, like in the split that you're in, say you have the 15th lowest IR, your car number is 15 and you're gridded in 15th spot. However, there are times it appears that there's a couple guys that have times against their name, and say the 14th number car has what looks like a qualifying time next to it, and instead of being lined up next to you in 14th spot, he's on pole position for some reason or other. Here's how you take care of that. This is at least the ovals that I've seen here, the dirt car and the street car. You have to come over here to the page, and here I've got the dirt car up, and down you have to make sure you have sessions selected, and down here you see practice, qualify, and race. Okay, well, you have to qualify here. It does not occur during the race because you've noticed that's called warm-up. So you have practice, which goes into warm-up, and then the race. If you don't qualify here on the main page, you will not have a qualifying time. Now, they're calling this a week, even though here in the street stock and the dirt car, the schedule changes every day. But if you qualify for like linear on, what day are we on here? Today is the 5th. Okay, we're at USA. Okay, so I qualified at USA track here. That sets my qualifying time for the entire week, which in this case is just one day. So you set a qualifying time here, and every time you race today or whatever at USA, that is your qualifying time. So it rolls over, it holds for the whole day, even though they're calling it a week. Now, as you can see here, linear is starting to come up on dirt. Once that time rolls over here about 5:30 p.m. Central Time, this qualify will be for linear. So you come here, click on one of these qualifying times, go there. And by the way, the qualifying times I noticed on the street stock was 3 laps. I think it's 4 laps here on dirt, so it's a different setup. So you have to go there, qualify here on this page, then go over to the race page or up here as normal to select the race. Then your practice and your warm-up means nothing. You've already got your qualifying time right here. And that is how you qualify during week 13, at least for the dirt street stock and the street stock cars on iRacing. All right, hope that helps some people. I couldn't find this written out or even on YouTube anywhere. That's why I made this video. That's the way it appears to me that it works. You have to come here to the qualifying session. That holds you for the whole day. So if you race 3 times during a day at a specific track, your qualifying time right here, that's what you're going to grid as. So let's put it this way. If you're car number 15, you're seated 15, but you're the only one that qualified in the split that you're in, you will qualify pole position, and you will see your time next to the standings where nobody else has any time because they didn't come here to this room and qualify. All right, hope that wasn't too convoluted and confusing. Talk to you guys later. See ya. Bye.